Hey, how's it going, guys? Keenith here. I'm glad you're landing here on my video. Today, I want to talk about my 15th month income proof in my $20 business. Now, we're excited about what's happening here, guys. But first, let me get this income disclosure out of the way. These are my results. There's no guarantee of income here. Of course, we know it's based on the work, but the work we have here, guys, is so simple to do. But again, you have to put in the work, okay? So we don't want someone to have the expectations of making a lot of money without putting the efforts, right? So here we show you how to do it in a simple way. But guys, I'm telling you, this is an incredible opportunity for the price of a pizza, okay? So let's get right into the website. Let's check it out. Now, as you can see here, the updates in the 3.0 is awesome. You can see here all the website upgrades, the beautiful scenery here. All right, so what we're going to do is just kind of go through really quickly and click on the tabs up top. Now, our mission. Of course, you know our mission is to help 1 million families become debt-free, guys. We're on our way. Of course, with your help, we can definitely do it. Then, of course, we have our travel portal where you get insane deals. As you can see here, public pricing on hotels. Look at our price. Look at the member savings, folks. It's incredible. And this includes tax and fees. Look at the reward credits that you earn. By booking through the portal, you earn reward credits also in addition to the already discounted price, right? Wow. Let's go to our next tab, savings. Think about saving money on things you already spend money on and getting cash back. That's right, cash back on things you already do, folks. Things like shopping, dining, groceries, car insurance. I mean, the list goes on and on. Here you see some examples. But again, guys, when you think about the price of a piece, a $20 bill, it's kind of like a no-brainer, okay? So let's talk about coaching. That's also included in the new 3.0, guys. You got access to Platinum Success. This if you join at the $100 membership level, which is the Platinum. This is when you get all the extras, okay? Here you're going to get the definite mentorship that you need from our top leaders here. Here I'm on the advisory board as well. As you can see here, a list, Mr. Steve Gresham, the founder of the company, Mr. Cornell Jones, Mr. William and Nicole Constein, all right, and also have Timothy Jones, advisory board, and Sandy Bockins, former IRS trainer, guys, is raving about what we have here with the My $20 business, okay? Now, also, you're going to get, you know, something that you really need, folks. I do not take this for granted, self-development. You're going to learn all this inside the Platinum membership, okay? Now, let's talk about the stories, all right? The stories. I believe in documentation beats conversation, folks. So if you go into our Facebook group, go on Facebook, check out our group, see what folks are saying, man. I mean, the list goes on and on. You know, people saving on everyday things. I mean, it's incredible. You know, lives are being changed. But again, guys, we have some that just make sense for people. You know, when you have to go out and sell something that people don't ordinarily use or you know, buy, then you have a little rejection there. But when you can show people something that saves them on what they already spend money on, man, you got yourself a win-win. And then you talk about the price point. Oh my goodness. You know, it's incredible. So, of course, with the Platinum, they go back to that again. With the Platinum, you're also going to get this awesome vacation, okay? You're earning 1 point per month that you paid $100 for the Platinum membership. This awesome vacation, you can just scroll down, guys, and see the video here, okay? This place is beautiful, okay? So, let's go here to something I'm very excited about, is the system. You're going to get a free system, folks. Guys, who does this? I'm telling you, it's almost like it's starting to sound a little ridiculous because of all the value that you're being given here for just a $20 bill. With the marketing system being included, guys, you talked about all this for absolutely free. Okay, Steve Gresham is just like, wow, this guy has a heart of gold. But to do this, to give this type of value for the inexpensive price, guys, is unbelievable. You get an opt-in pages included, autoresponder included, follow-up by email that the company will do on your behalf. Again, guys, all you got to do is put people in front of this information and let the system do the work. Man, this is incredible to add this type of value for $20 or even $100, guys. It's still just a great, great value, all right? Now, let's get right into my income. Again, this is my proof of income. These are my results. My goal is to try to make a 6-figure income in 24 months. So you're able to see me month after month do these update videos. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll be doing updates every single month to show you my progress. But again, it's all based on your efforts. These examples will be my efforts, okay? So let's get right into it. Now here is my business site, Legacy. As you can see here, the total here for Legacy in 15 months is $11,916.29. Not bad, guys, for a $20 investment. I'm telling you now, me personally, I came in at the platinum, of course, because, again, I want all the value. And for $100, it was just a no-brainer, all right? Because, again, at the end of the year, you paid 12 months, $100. Boom, you get a free vacation valued at $3,000. So if I paid $1,200 and got a trip valued at $3,000, 5-star, that's a win-win. This doesn't even include all the savings and all the self-development and all the additional training, the marketing system. All that's just extra. Can you see what I'm saying here, guys? This is just like mind-blowing, okay? It's so many people are so excited for a reason, all right? Now let's go on to my personal site. My personal site, here you see my name, Keenith. You'll see the date here. When I came in, you'll see today's date. Now, on this site, again, we've accumulated $19,080.52. Like I said, when you look at the cost to do business, and when we talk about business, to be able to take advantage of major tax deductions, again, you should be in the business. If you can switch that equation where you go work a regular job and you get that W-2, a big portion is already taken before you even get the check. Then when you get that net income, you have to go spend money to live, right? And you're taxed all over again on gas, food, clothes. You're taxed to death. And the only way you can change that equation, folks, is start a business. And so here you get it at a low cost, $20 or the $100 level at the platinum, and win, guys. It's just that simple. All right. So let's go over to my wife's website. All right. My wife has accumulated $6,349.45. Wow. Go, honey. Now she has a business site. So let's go over to our business site. Now her business site has accumulated $17,987.70. Not bad. When we total up for our 15th month in the $20 business, guys, we've accumulated over $55,333.96, folks. Think about extra income coming in addition to what you do. Now, we do other things outside of this, but guys, I got to tell you, this is pretty cool to see income going up every single month. Again, you're seeing exactly, I'm not holding anything back. I'm showing you exactly what's possible. Maybe you do better than I am. But again, to be able to put myself in a winning situation by saving on what I already spend money on, that's a win, right? Then be able to take advantage of major tax deductions that are only allowed to business owners. That's another plus. Then we talk about this awesome vacation that we get at the end of 12 months that we've already received. Awesome, all right? But then we take this money and we start to invest this money. All right, because I'm an investor also. So we invest that money, guys, to multiply that money. What better way to start something in the comfort of your own home that you can work totally from home, right? And then be able to create the additional income, guys, all by sharing it with a few people. All right. So when the system comes out, you get access to the free system. Think about it. All you do is point people to your link and let the system do the rest. Okay. If you need someone to answer questions, that's what I'm here for. In addition to that, you're going to get more training, more tools, things like that when you join our Team Legacy family, guys. I'm here to help you win. As you can see, it's a no-brainer, all right? So what are you waiting on? I don't want you to just watch me go to a six-figure income in 2 years. Guys, people work their entire careers and don't make a six-figure income. All I'm doing is just sharing it, just like I'm sharing with you, allowing you to make your own informed decision. You do that. You look at the information. You have questions. You can reach out to me. You'll see my number there on the screen. Reach out to me and pick up the phone. Call me. I'd be glad to answer any of your questions. If you need to find out more about what we're doing, guys, visit that website right there on the screen. Visit that website and take action. Don't let a $20 decision get in front of your financial future. Okay? This is something that can really help. Again, you're already doing it. It's not like I got to sell you on shopping. You're already doing it. You want to save money on what you're already doing? Get to the link. Take action. Get involved. Get the membership. And when you experience it for yourself, like all these thousands of other people, you just share your experience. That's pretty much it. That's all we do. That's the work involved here. All right. So again, guys, this is Keenith Reed signing out. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I will be keeping you posted. I would love to work with you, show you how we're doing this, guys. This is so powerful and so simple. So again, with that, we're going to sign out. Keenith Reed. See you on the next video. Take care. God bless.